Okay, I'm going to start off by saying vote for the mitochondria to lead your cell 2018 powerhouse that powers you. So first of all, it is shaped perfectly to maximize productivity, and in other words, it doesn't mess around. It has a double membrane, which means the double membrane protects and increases surface area to be more proficient. It keeps the cell full of energy and makes energy for the other cells, or for the other organelles. Let's talk about the last leader, the nucleus. We all remember them. Great leader, you know. Mitochondria will be just as good as a leader, and they share a common feature, which would be DNA. So the mitochondria also has DNA in its matrix, like the nucleus had DNA. The mitochondria has the ability to release a chemical to other cells to die off when they're not needed, like similar to a person of power would fire someone if they're not needed. So, you know. The mitochondria is the only cell where oxygen is reduced and broken down into water, and it is also one of the only organelles with a double membrane. Why would it need so much protection if it wasn't important? You wouldn't even be able to support yourself on 2 feet without the mitochondria because you just won't have the energy. The mitochondria helps the cell move around, and the cell would die without it. Without it, it would be as dead as cytoplasm's speech video. The mitochondria can adjust to fit the needs of the cell if it needs like more or less energy. So, like, you know, it can fit the needs of the people. Some of the other organelles stoop so low as to fraud by making other accounts pretending to be the mitochondria, pretending to make them look bad with, you know, bad grammar, and you know, nah, that's not true. Okay, don't listen. Who does that make look bad? The mitochondria or the other organelles? I mean, do you want someone who's sincere and genuine, or frauds to lead your cell? I don't know. Ribosomes need energy to make proteins, but without the mitochondria, the ribosomes wouldn't even have the energy to make the proteins. And ribosomes also give you an elevated cancer risk. Now, let's talk about the cytoplasm. Have you ever thought about whether the cytoplasm is even considered an organelle? I mean, it just sits there. Like, it's not really an organelle, it just sits there. So, like, most people don't even consider it organelle. So, like, would you want somebody who isn't qualified to run your cell? I don't think so. I wouldn't. Check out our Twitter for more information on the other organelles, and vote mitochondria to lead your cell in 2018 powerhouse that powers you. Woo!